In this video, we will try to model this faceted ring, so let's get started. As a first step, we will create a sketch with the profile of the ring, then polygon, change to 14 sides, horizontal relation for this line, and a distance from this point to this line of 11 millimeters. Let's zoom in a bit. Now let's extrude 2 millimeters. Click outside to deselect. Now let's create a sketch on this face. Then polygon. We will restrict this vertex with the midpoint of the top line. Change to 14 size this one too. Perfect. The next step will be extrude, so let's select this face. 0.25 millimeters. And the angle will be 45 degrees. Perfect. The next thing we have to do is to create a side facet. So let's create a sketch on the top face. And trace a line from this point to the midpoint of the vertical line. Then select the line and make construction. Let's add a construction plane. Then choose type and 3 points. Now let's select these 3 points. And done. Let's create a sketch on this plane. Following the reference points, trace this shape. And exit sketch. Great. This will allow us to create the cutting tool. So let's hide the plane and the body for now. Select this face. And let's extrude 3 millimeters. Now let's unhide body 1. Now go to transform, pattern, select the cutting tool. Now move the pattern center to the origin. 14 and an angle of 360 and done. Great, now we have everything set up for the Boolean cut. Double tap on the main body to select, then go to more and subtract. Go to items and select circular pattern and done. Now let's mirror this body. Double tap to select, go to more, mirror, select the mirror plane and done. Next step will be join the parts. Double tap, go to more, union, select the other part and done. Now we have the full base for the ring. Now let's create a hole for the ring on this face. Draw a circle. The diameter will be 20 millimeters. Exit sketch. Select this face and extrude a cut. Perfect. Add the sketch and all the other stuff. I will add some fillet, so let's double tap on the ring. I'll remove some faces and edges from the selection. This one, this face and this edge, and that's it. Let's go to chamfer, and let's add a chamfer of 0.2 millimeters, and done. And looks great. Let's now select this edge, and the other one too, and add a fillet of 0.5 millimeters. Perfect. Let's create a section view. Go to section view, select the top plane. It will be easier to add the logo I want to put here. Let's go to add, file, my vector logo in the WG file, and done. Let's go to the top view and let's select the logo on the items menu. Let's place it at the origin. Now go to Scale and scale down to the size you require. Great. Let's go to Tools, Project. Now select the profiles. And finally the face to project. Done. Let's select these faces and let's extrude about minus 0.2 millimeters and done. Great. Uncheck section view. Let's now rotate the ring around the x-axis 90 degrees. Now let's go to visualization. Let's look for polish steel. Now drag the appearance to the ring. Cool. Okay. To change material to faces, you only need to select the faces you want to change. Go to Change and choose Other Material. This one, for example. Change the color to your liking. Okay. And that's it. Thanks for watching.